Polygon's local digital currency, MATIC, has been battling starting from the beginning of 2022. Its worth has fallen by almost 80% since its unsurpassed significant level accomplished a year ago. Polygon's Green Manifesto, a promise to make the blockchain universe more eco-cognizant, staying the organization's greatest information. The green progress and the send-off of various new highlights, similar to Sand's gas non-fungible token, NFT, stamping, can possibly make Polygon a contender to comparative blockchains like Ethereum. Might the token at any point get back on a development direction, and what the future holds for the Polygon, MATIC, cost expectation in 2022 and then some? What is Polygon crypto? Polygon, recently known as MATIC Network, is the first simple to involve stage for Ethereum scaling and framework advancement. Established by Jainty Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, Anurag Arjun and Mihailo Bielik in 2017, it needs to make Ethereum an undeniable multi-chain framework. Over the most recent few years, ETH has turned into the second greatest cryptographic money by market capitalization and the forerunner in decentralized finance, DeFi, because of its similarity with savvy contracts, which make building decentralized applications, dApps, simple. Nonetheless, ETH's developing fame has additionally made the blockchain hard to use in the midst of rising gas charges and exorbitant traffic. That, notwithstanding low throughput and no power, has prompted the production of Polygon. Utilizing the motto worked by engineers, for designers, Polygon has figured out how to join all current Ethereum instruments with quicker and less expensive exchanges. Starting around 6 June, 3 others arrangements are being developed. Polygon Avail focuses off-chain scaling arrangements and independent chains. Polygon Miden, a layer 2 scaling answer for Ethereum, and depends on zero information innovation to blend large number of layer 2 exchanges into one single ETH exchange, expanding throughput and diminishing exchange charges. Polygon Zero, a layer 2 scaling answer for Ethereum that isolates Polygon Zero from other zero information scaling arrangements the enterprise chain is arranged. Since sending off, Polygon has permitted clients to grow almost 20,000 dApps, pulled in more than 130 million remarkable clients, experienced north of 3 million everyday exchanges, and facilitated over 3.4 billion exchanges. Polygon's local digital money, known as MATIC, is an ERC-20 symbolic running on the Ethereum organization. The MATIC crypto is utilized to pay charges on the Polygon organization and for marking and administration. There are a limit of 10 billion MATIC tokens that can be delivered. Over 7.96 billion are at present available for use, as indicated by information given by CoinMarketCap, starting around 6 June. MATIC right now, 6 June, has a market capitalization more than $4.9 billion and is positioned as the 18th greatest token. Will MATIC go up or down? Specialized standpoint. The MATIC crypto sent off 2 years after Polygon was established through an underlying trade offering, IEO, on the Binance Crypto Trades stage. After its end-off in 2019, the token battled to rise, moving sideways and fluctuating somewhere in the range of 1 cent and 3 cents for the following 2 years. In any case, the Polygon digital money began to build up some decent forward movement toward the beginning of February 2021, taking off to new cost levels by May that very year. In only 4 weeks, between 22 April 2021 and 18 May 2021, the digital currency MATIC cost flooded by 602%, up from 35 cents to a then record high of $2.45. In spite of its transitory achievement, the MATIC token dropped to $1.09 yet figured out how to bounce back to $2.21 by 26 May 2021. Following May's highs, the Polygon coin cost has battled through an unstable ride. It hit another record high of $2.88 on 26 December 2021, following news that the main Ethereum app, Uniswap, had sent off on Polygon. From that point forward, nonetheless, the token has been on a negative pattern, as seen on the outline above, with its cost losing over portion of its worth from the record high, dropping $1.3802 by 15 March 2022 in the midst of international pressures and the Russian intrusion of Ukraine. Yet again subsequent to seeing minor additions toward the finish of March and start of April 2022, the digital currency plunged, tumbling from its $1.6888 high on 3 April 2022 to its $0.6015, coming up short on 12 May 2022, somewhere around 64.3%. MATIC's plunge was to a great extent impacted by more extensive negative crypto market feeling that saw Bitcoin, BTC, the greatest token by market capitalization, fall underneath $27,000 and the Terra Luna breakdown. MATIC has figured out how to settle since, fluctuating somewhere in the range of 70 cents and 50 cents. Starting around 6 June, the Polygon cost in United States dollars remained at $0.6234. Specialized Polygon cost examination, starting around 6 June, showed that momentary opinion for the coin was impartial. An overall strength list, RSI, of 43 was in the nonpartisan area. A perusing of 30 or underneath would show that the resource is becoming underestimated and a pattern inversion is probably going to happen. Is Polygon a wise venture? Probably the greatest Polygon, MATIC, news came as the stage declared that it would be going carbon negative in 2022, uncovering its Green Manifesto, a $20 million vow to handle environmental change. The crypto business has been intensely reprimanded for its high power utilization by environmental change dissident gatherings, including Greenpeace. By joining the green development, Polygon isn't just supporting the fight against environmental change, however can possibly grab the eye of financial backers who esteem the climate, consequently constructing the case for a bullish Polygon MATIC cost expectation. On 22 April 2022, the stage vowed to extend worldwide payout plans with digital currencies by building Stripe Connect, an installment stage for makers, specialists, dealers and solopreneurs. In other Polygon, MATIC, news, the stage declared that the biggest stablecoin by market capitalization, Tether, USDT, was coming to the MATIC organization. Polygon had likewise presented various new in-stage advancements including the send-off of Polygon ID on 29 March 2022, the self-sovereign, decentralized and confidential character for WEB3. The presentation of the Polygon Nightfall mainnet on 17 May 2022, the most effective blockchain answer for endeavors, empowering organizations to coordinate confidential exchanges for use in supply chains and other key business capabilities. On 3 June 2022, Polygon made stamping NFTs a ton simpler, permitting anybody to make them with custom utilities and zero gas expenses. The Ethereum blockchain expects clients to pay high gas charges to mint a NFT. One more late task of the MATIC network was its organizations with Adidas Originals and Prada, a first of a sort open metaverse and client-produced NFT project based on the organization in January 2022.